house, his spirit ablaze. On a quest for love forever contained. But the lamb's heart beats with electrical flame. Electric pack ignite the dance floor. Wild and alive with craving for more. In the rhythm of beats we break and we sway. EDM's fire guiding the way. In a furious night where shadows collide, a lone wolf growls, his spirit ablaze.
Guys, nagyayaw si Raymond guys. Gawin daw kayong air.
Welcome.
Maayong pag-abot sa Cebu. Hi guys. Nangaon pa mi guys kay nagpaabot pa mi sa car rental. Maabot siya 1 p.m.
Video niya sa kanan niya kung before kami.
Kailangan man jud required mag-picture.
Ikaw or ako?
Kita. Kay send na to sa tag-iya.
Na-receive na ito?
My lashes are so beautiful. Thanks to Lash in the City. So natural. And so magaan. Hi guys. Namin sa Cebu. Tapos nag-rent me og car. Ang driver. Happy vacation. Rent me og car for 3 days. Hi guys, room tour. So mani amo ang first room na gi-check-inan. Countess Pension House. CR, tanada to lang CR kung dako. Dako ilang CR. Dako ilang CR no? Na ay hot shower. Hello. So, mo lang ni siya, guys. Dinner, day 1. Gulay para pampahaba ng buhay. Hi guys, good morning. So matumiron sa Cebu Safari Park with my PD, personal driver. So ang biyahe guys is 1 hour and almost 1 hour and ang time karon is 8:25. So see you guys sa Cebu Safari.
Up to the morning light, your smile shining so bright. You bring warmth into my soul, like the sun that makes me whole. Every day with you feels like summer skies. You light up my world with those gentle lights. Sunshine, love, you're all I need. Like the rays of hope, you're setting me free in your arms. I feel
Nanami sa asa tamun.
Butso.
Di ba tayo mga picture? So, pag-picture na. Maitihan. there.
Ano tayo sa cowboy na?
Pilo lang. Dala na ko.
Taro nga. Yeah, labay ka ron.
Naibog ko sa Welcome to the Jurassic Yay! We're going to see the asa to? African lions. African lions. Here we go.
Hi and good morning. Secure hold into the grab bars and refrain extending your fingers outside the mesh. And lastly, no using of flash photography. Okay. That's why, ma'am, sir, we also have here a night safari tour.
Ang iconic na look. Kanagaw, nagbitay ang tiit.
Asa na to? Hala, ganahan siya ni Momon.
Ganito.
Ay, si Mampod.
Ano? Ay, ganahan siya. Musok-sok. Kaya na ay bangag-bangag.
Nanggigil din siya sa net. Halingaw si Raymond. Kaya ko anan siya ko.
Kikit-kit akong kalo. Nanggigil ang parot.
Hikit-kit ang kalo ni Raymond. Time check, guys. 11:30 na. Naabot mi kay mga 10 o'clock. Ay, dako kayo siya. In fairness.
Dugay na siguro ka ni diri. Kinanagod sila yung layon. Di ba kabasta-basta din mo mukha ng layon. Saan ni diri ang goy?
Pero init lang kaayo. Hala, may kuan. Saan na? Kuan siya, guys. Binturong. Kiti siya, guys. Ano siya si sushi?
The right side, the blessback, zebra, and the impala. That one is a gemsbok or oryx gazelle or madam gazelle in the Pipa Peak. A large antelope that has white-black markings on its face, known for their long and straight horn that can side. Those are the waterbuck, a reddish-brown antelope with shaggy hair under their neck and a white circular ring on their rump.
Yeah.
Sa dini ko nila.
See. So again, ma'am, sir, on your right side, the we dance moves to attract female. So thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wild.
Guys, real life lalay na dyan ni guys.
Doon ko isa wala nagtiin.
Asa?
Tidak ka.
Ay, oo.
Taon siguro.
Kuan nila, uy. Ano nililihot? Doon kayo siya, guys. Kita eh. Ano na trabaho? Ay, hindi sila maabot din sa buhayan. Kaunan ba na sila sa buhayan?
Buhayin naman din ang soba.
Awa.
Kulat siguro.
Wala namin silang life. Sige, swimming.
Dilo ka na.
Mura nilang area no. Lumayra po dahil lang area no.
Mayroon magyan na ilang area ka.
Gani. Hindi mo siya matubang ay. Nag-sleep siya. Nga na ta siguro ay.
Ano?
Hello. Asa din siya? Serval. Serval. Screenshot rin ako to. Taran!
Ikaw na isa ba di? Pero nagdala kag power bank ani.
Itong extra. Nasa sakyanan.
Ilang na gud ay.
Wala, ni tanaw diri.
Grabe gid yung ani ba?
Man video ko bi.
Ka maklaro atra. Ay mo kamot ra klaro.
Klaro na ka? Hi guys, muna mag-vlog. Ay, ate, dito na. Sana masasabi mo dito sa Cebu Safari Park. Hi guys!
Inana sila kadato. Ano? Na-board sila. Yung muna lang sila.
The outpost. Good afternoon.
Afternoon pa. Isa sa tapuan. Tapos.
Tangaag mga naong.
Ano pa yun sila? Social ano?
Say social climber.
Kanang
Introvert.
dili ka na.
Extrovert. Hi.
Puro virtual. Ano man yung Tara.
Eh pare. Naku no.
Oh.
Wala, asa na siya?
Passing ka.
Bye-bye.
Pasi na siya, mato.
Bye-bye tiger.
Na dito ng wallet. Ha?
Kasi wallet.
Kanang ano ba?
He picks up the letter R. Now, ding and dong. Now, centennials, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Now, they are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical. Alright, now, ma'am, are you ready?
Atay, wauna ro.
Now, are you sure about your money?
Ala!
Okay, last question, ma'am. Do you have an extra money? Yeah. Our cute and fluffy centaur name, Sunny. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to mom under the arms and he picks the 1,000 peso bill. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 1,000 pesos. Easy money, right? Now, mom, can we do it again, like another 1,000 pesos? Now, Sunny, can you return the money? Now, Sunny flies back all the way to mom under her arms and he puts a 1,000 peso bill back. Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. Alright, now happy birthday. Now, buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will we do next? One more time. Last one. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as like other birds. Instead, so a round of applause to our most handsome. Look at the name, Mr. Horn. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine hawk eagle typically hangs from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. So when they fly, they're almost silent. It is because of their special feathers. But wait, there's more. Here comes a brother of shadow, striking chestnut brown. But wait, there's more. Cloud. Now, formerly known as redback sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as a prey of flight. So again, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now, white pitch from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. So the scientific name for this bird is Heliatus leucocastor. Now lastly, white-bellied sea eagle, it symbolizes wilderness and freedom. So a round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle name silver. Now let me introduce you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Irvin, together with silver. We also have here Mr. Charles, together with Malcolm, Miss Debbie, together with Marina, and Miss Rachel, together with Kat. Our 4 white-bellied sea eagle. And we also have here Indian peacocks and our scarlet ibis. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Hudson. We hope you enjoy the show.